Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? My name is Jennifer. Today I'm going to show you how to find fonts and designs from Creative Fabrica and how to edit it on Canva. Many people will find design, they don't know how to bring it up on Canva. So today I'm going to show you how to do it and how you can also edit some graphics to add other things to it. You must not take the graphic the way it is. You can also remove some things out of it and then add your own. So if you find any value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends. On this my channel, I teach people how to make money online, how to start up your print on demand business. If you want to do business like t-shirt, hoodies, sweaters business, if you want to do drop shipping, if you want to build your own website, if you are in Africa and you also want to learn how to make money online, I also going to make videos in future to let you know people in Africa. For example, now print on demand business, right? Here in Europe, I'm using PRINTIFY and I'm using ESTY. But in Africa or in Nigeria, ESTY don't allow people from Africa or let's say from Nigeria to register to market their design on that platform. So how can you now do the same print on demand also in Africa? So that's why I say you should give me a follow me, subscribe, and then you're going to be learning a lot. I'm going to be bringing up platforms that can help you also in Africa to earn money while you are in Africa. Okay, I am in the UK, so go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. So let's do it. Creative Fabrica is a place whereby you can find much designs. You can see here they have over 5 million graphics and over 1 million fonts. So if you're doing print on demand business, I will let you know that you need it. You need Creative Fabrica, except you are a designer. You are a designer on your own. You can design, so you don't need them, right? But if you're not a designer like me, you need Creative Fabrica. I'm going to leave the link of this Creative Fabrica in the description below. You're going to have your 1 month free. You can download stuff from here, and then after 1 month, if you love what you're doing, if you love the platform, then you can go ahead and then subscribe. Okay, so how can you find fonts and graphics on Creative Fabrica? Immediately you get yourself registered, you just come here, ask yourself, what do you want to design? Let's say you're doing print on demand business, you're creating t-shirts, so you ask yourself, oh, what do I want to design? Do I want to design something regarding Christmas? Do I want to design something regarding Halloween? Or do I want to say something about fathers, about mothers, and you don't have you don't know how to draw, you don't know how to do it? Just come here, type in that word, type in that your niche, type in that thing that you want to design, right? Let's say I want to talk about moms, I want to talk about mama, I need something like mama, so just come here and type in mama. If it's Christmas, type in Christmas, right? You say enter. So it's going to bring out so many things for you. If you want to concentrate on graphics, come here and click graphics to show you just graphics. So it's going to show you so many graphics regarding mama, right? This is a beautiful one. Because I'm not a designer, I can't even do that myself. Look at this one. This is very beautiful. When you find something that you like, let's say you like this one, what you're going to do is just go ahead and click on it. Okay, you can go ahead and click on it, and then you can download it, and it's going to go to your desktop, to your file. It depends what you're using. And I also advise you to follow the designers, give them a follow, so that when they're creating something new, you'll be one of those people to get notified. Sometimes it's also advisable to go ahead and view the designer. You just click on their profile, view it, just to find out what else are they designing that you like. Okay, you can also come here and see so many. Look at this beautiful Christmas spirit, so just go ahead and find out what are they doing that you can also like to download. So this is how I always find beautiful graphics from Creative Fabrica. So let's say you want fonts, you don't want graphics, I'm going to show you guys both, right? You want fonts. Okay, you also go ahead here, and after typing your mama, you go ahead and click on fonts. It's only going to bring out fonts for you. If you love this one, for example, the same way, you go ahead and click on it, and you go ahead and follow the designer. You can go ahead and go in to see what the designer is up to, what they're designing, are you going to like any other thing from the platform? If yes, go ahead and download them, or if no, then go out, just download this one, right? So when you click on download, it's going to come to your file. You open it, it's going to be on zip file, so open it and save it up. Now let's go to Canva and bring it up. Let me download one more thing. Let me say about Christmas. So I have something about Christmas here. I want to show you guys this one, right? How you can remove things and then add your own to make it unique, right? Everybody are going to use this graphic, but you don't want to just be anybody, right? You want your own to be special. So how can you make this your design that you saw from Creative Fabrica to be special? I'm also going to tackle that, okay? So you can also go ahead and download it. So let's go back to Canva. So when you get to Canva, Canva is a platform. Canva is 99% free, right? Everything on Canva is almost free. But if you're doing print on demand business, I would advise you to have Canva Pro. Canva Pro will allow you to download your graphic without no background. So some people will tell you, oh, don't worry, just download it and take it to another platform, another app, and then you remove the background from there, bring it back. It will make the quality of your graphic not to be right, not to be good anymore. So if you really want to start up your print on demand business in a very good way, please make sure you get your Canva Pro. I'm going to leave the link of this Canva in the description below. Just click on it. They're going to give you 30 days for free to use the Canva Pro. You know, you have more options, and then after that, if you love it, you can go ahead and continue. Okay, so now on this Canva, you can go ahead and use 4,500 pieces times 5,000 to create your design. You can see everything I have so many things I'm creating. Let's say I open one of my work, for example. So you could see that I am using, if I go to where they say resize, you see I'm using 4,500. So I am using the printer called PRINTIFY. PRINTIFY is my online printer, the one that will help you to print your design when someone purchases from you, and they will be the one to send it out to the customer. So for PRINTIFY, you can use 4,500 times 5,000 pieces. If you are using Redbubble, I will advise you to increase it. You can do 4,500 times 5,400 pieces, which you can also use on Printify too. Okay, I can click on resize, and then you will see this your page. So let's say these are the things if I'm teaching people, you know, I use it to give example. So let's come back to our teaching. Remember, we downloaded 3 things, right? And I want to bring them up to Canva. What I'm going to do is that you're going to click on upload. When you're bringing up your graphic, for example, click on upload file, go to where you save it, go to where you save your graphic that you downloaded. So I'm going to look for the one we downloaded, and then I'm going to bring it up. Remember this one. So we downloaded this mama. Okay, we downloaded this mama. So you click on it and bring it up here. So this is very easy and simple. You go to Creative Fabrica, you find something that you love, you save it. It's going to be on a zip file. Click on that zip file, copy what is inside, save it outside the zip file, so that when you click on upload file, it will take you can be able to see it. Because if it's still on zip file, you can't find it. Maybe we'll say, oh Jennifer, I downloaded this thing, I came to Canva, but I can't see what I downloaded. Yes, you're not seeing it because it's on a zip file, right? So open that zip file, copy out what is there, and resave it somewhere else so that you can be able to see it. Okay, so this is very easy how you can be able to download something from Canva and then bring it up to download something from Creative Fabrica and bring it up to Canva. Right now, when you now want to download this to put it on your t-shirt, you just have to click on share. When you click on share, you click on download. This is why I said you need Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you won't be seeing this. You won't be seeing this transparent background. Okay, you can see this crown here. Anywhere you see crown, meaning you need to pay, you need to to subscribe before you can be able to have this access. So go ahead and get your Canva Pro, very important, and the link will be below this video. So let's go bring up the font. Remember, so bringing up the font is another way. Okay, it's not like the graphic. What are you going to do? You go ahead and click on text, and then you go ahead and click on edit. It's where they say untitled bracket edit. Click on it, and then you're going to see upload fonts. One of my students asked me this question. Sister Yinka, if you're listening to this video, I'm doing this video because of you. Thank you so much for asking me, because you gave me the idea to do this video. So you click on upload a font, and then you're going to see the font you downloaded. Guys, do you remember that we downloaded this, okay, about mama? Okay, and then you open it. It's going to ask you if you want to confirm that you really want to bring up this font, and you click on yes, and it's going to upload the font. So whenever you type in something, okay, it's going to bring that font up. You can see this is already there. Okay, so let's say now I want to type something. If you type anything you want to type, you can just go ahead and then bring and change that font to this. Remember, Canva, they have their own fonts, but Creative Fabrica, they have a bit more special font. So if you now go here, you can be able to see those your fonts, all those your fonts. You see uploaded font, like the font you uploaded from somewhere else to Canva. Okay, so we now click on it. You see it will now change. Okay, so this is how you can be able to go to Creative Fabrica, get a font there, or get a design, and then bring it up here and use it in Canva. I still want to show you guys one more thing before we go. I said that when you have a graphic, you can also change that graphic. You know, it's already a graphic, you can't just delete, but I want to show you guys a trick. Okay, so when you go back to your upload and you go and look for a file, a graphic that you have downloaded from Creative Fabrica, let's find it. Yes, let's say this is it, and you want to remove, because everybody are using this, everybody is like the same, so you don't want to just be anybody, right? You want your own to be different. So you have gotten something from Creative Fabrica, which is an idea, and you want to remove and add something for your own to be different. What are you going to do? So you come to this edge here, you can just drag this place down, drag it down, drag it down, drag it down to remove whatever you want to remove, right? To remove whatever I want to remove, and then go ahead and bring up something else. If I go to, or maybe from Creative Fabrica, bring up something else you want to add. You want to add to this, okay? Or you can also go to Canva and type in Christmas. So it's going to also give you some things you can be able to bring up here. You can add. So it's like you are adding something to your graphic you saw on Creative Fabrica, because everybody are going to do the same, right? But you want yours to be different. So you can go to Canva and still bring up something else to add up to it, just for your own to just be a little different, right? So everybody will have that one, and maybe you have this and still have Merry Christmas written down there. So it depends on you what you want to do, so you can add and remove. But let's say, for example, let's go back, guys. Let's say, you know, it was very easy to just drag down, right? But what if this Christmas is being written very close down to this Christmas tree? It can't really cut it out. It will cut the Christmas tree. What are you going to do? What will you do? I will advise you, just come here and click on edit image. So I touch edit image. You click on BG remover, touch it, and then you wait. It's going to take 30 seconds, and then you wait. Through this BG remover, you will now see erase button. Erase button is not there for you to click to use, but you have to click on BG first before you will see erase, and then you will use the erase button to now clean whatever you want to clean. Just imagine it's very, very, very close to the tree. You will cut it out if you use the other one. So, but if you use this one, you can be able to carefully clean up something, and then you are good to go. So this is how you can be able to clean up, and then you say done up here, you say done, and then you say apply, and you see you can now go ahead and bring up something else to add to it. This is just the way. If it's very, very, very close to the tree, so you can't really cut it off. Okay, it will cut the tree off, and you don't want that. So this is for the Canva. And now I also advise you, if you are doing print on demand business, you can also go ahead and get your mockups from Placeit. You must not, but I mean, it makes everything more easier. Everybody are using flat mockups, but if you want real human being, real people to wear your cloth, I will advise you to use Placeit. So I'm going to leave the link of Placeit below this video. So how can you use Placeit? When you register, you just go ahead, choose any one that you want to wear your clothes. If I want this guy to wear my clothes, what am I going to do? I touch this guy, and then if it's open, I'm going to go ahead. You can change the t-shirt color. You go ahead and insert the image that you want this person to wear. So where is our image? Our image is our mom, our mama. So we go ahead and insert the image. So you're going to adjust it, just push it up, okay, and then you click on crop, and you can also change. You can resize it. If you notice that it's a bit too big, you can click on resize. You go back again and try to resize it to be a bit smaller, and then you can push it up. Just be looking at the other side to find out what you're doing, and then you click on crop, and now you can change the color of the t-shirt by going here and click on colors. You can want it to be black, you want it to be yellow, I don't know, you just want it to be anything. Let's say you want it to be blue because it's a guy. You see, this is beautiful. And then this is how you can be able to click on download. When you click on download, you now download it and then bring it up to Canva to resize it for the ESTY. And and this is how you can be able to have real human beings to wear your clothes. So guys, if you find this video interesting and with much value, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I promised, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about making money online, drop shipping, about starting up your print on demand business. I also have a master class whereby I teach people how to start up their print on demand business successfully. I'm going to be there one-on-one on Zoom to set you up, to make sure you don't make any mistake, to make sure everything is being set, and teach you how to post, how to make sure you are listing your product, teach you how to select printers from different countries. You can list in the USA, list in Europe, list in the UK. So if you want to join the masterclass, just leave me a message and I will bring you up to the group. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate. Thank you, and bye bye everybody.